Hello everyone. Before going to my video, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon to get instant notification of my videos. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your terminal in Linux system, and first thing that we are going to see basic Linux commands. So in this tutorial, so we will go one by one. So we will see the usage of these Linux commands so that it will be very useful for your career. So first thing that we are I've just made this Linux commands series to into different series of videos, so that you can don't forget to watch all the videos to have a you know kind of thing. So first thing, we can see the to how to display the time, so and date, sorry, date. So just type date and press enter. You will see today's date. So for you it will be a different one. So next, I will let you know how to read the manual of date. So this will be useful for the how to usage this command. So just type man date. So see, now you can find the manual of that particular user command, where it showcase the what is mean by date. So it prints or sets the system date and time. So and also you can add some kind of options. So that's it. So let's see about the different commands. So how to clear it. So we have write three steps. Now we want to clear it. So just type clear and press enter. Oh wow, so it clear the comments. So next, we will see how to display a calendar of the current month. So this is very useful command to see the calendar. So the simple command is cal, that's it, press enter. So now you see today's date. So for you it will be a different. So now again you can see how to read this manual. So this manual contains cal, which displays a calendar and the date of Easter. So this is the description of it. You can read it. So I will let you to read this. No, I'm just clearing it. Okay, all is set. So next command that we are going to see how to display, just a minute, yeah, how to display current amount of free space. So that's what we are going to see. So for that, just type df. So it will show the free space of your file systems. So you can just do it. And also if you see the manual of df, so it says report file system and disk space usage. So you can read this description and also try it with different options. So I will give this homework to you. Next is just clear it. So next command that we are going to see how to exit the particular no, sorry, we will see that in last option. So how to find out the free memory space of your system, Linux system. Okay, just type free and press enter. So again I will say just type free and again press enter. So now it will say the how much the free memory of your system. And you can also use man command to see the manual of particular for the this command. So it displays the amount of free and used memory of the system. So that's it. Just enter q to quit. That is a shortcut. So now we are just clearing. And next thing I want to go how to, just a minute, yes, uh, how to print current working directory. So so I want to know like what in which directory I'm currently working in. So just type pwd, type this pwd. So it will tell. So this is the current directory of mine. So you can also read the manual, so what the command does. So just type man p space pwd So this will give you print name of current directory. So this you can go through it by yourself. So next we can see, so now I'm just clearing it. So next command is like how to change directories. So you will be doing this in Windows environment. So type cd. Okay, just give which directory you want to go. For example, I'm going to current directory to downloads. You can see in the prompts, you can see this in the current working directory in download. So next, how to go back. So you are experiencing the GUI, so it will be easy to press a go back button and you can go to previous directory. So in terminal it's too fast than GUI. Just type cd space hyphen. So this you can see it went to again root directory. So the tilde symbol that it measures, that it tells us it is in root directory. Okay. So next we are going to see how to go to root directory folder. So it's a direct command. You can type cd space tilde symbol. That's what I'm saying. So tilde refers to root. So you can see a tilde symbol is seen. So I'm just clearing it. Next command that we are going to see, how to list directories. So in a folder, I want to check what are the directories are available in the particular current working folder. So I'm going to type ls. So it will tell what are the folders and files are available in the particular pwd. So that's it. So next thing that we are going to see, and ls is very useful. It's commonly used command. So just to memorize all these commands, so these commands are, you will be using it often. So next command is like how to get more information about directories. So this is we have to append a option with it. So ls hyphen l. So it will show all the you can see more information like date, in the date it was created, like that. So you can just go through it. So I'm just giving, I want to finish it by 10 minutes, so I don't want to go more. So next thing, like how to check files informations. So this is also very useful command. So it's very easy also. Just give file space your file name. So it will tell what is the file type. It will tell information about the file type. You can try with anything, it will work. So it's very useful. So know about the file. So now next command is how to exit. So this is the last one that I'm going to see. So just type small letter. So I have to try with the small, don't syntax is very important. Just type exit and press it. Now the terminal got exited. So you can see. So that's all. Thanks.